Cody, what are you doing? Oh, we're gonna watch TV. And what's gonna happen? You're just gonna sit there. Oh, yeah. Get some Cody close-ups. Look at Cody, making it look like he's the sweetest bird in the world. Hmm? They don't know how naughty you are sometimes. Are you naughty sometimes? Look at these feathers. Okay, Cody, are we gonna watch some TV now? Are you gonna cuddle? What happens if I stop? Okay, I'm gonna keep massaging you, don't worry. Okay. Keep on the wheel. I can't even see anymore, Cody, so... Time to watch some TV.